Let's walk through how to use layers in Design and Print Online. When designing our project in the Customize screen, we can find the Layers panel on the right side below the navigator. Here we can click and drag the layers to rearrange them. For instance, we can drag Image 1 to the top of the list to make it the top layer of our label. If we add a new text box or image to our design, this will also make it a top layer. We can delete a layer by selecting the trash icon to remove it. If we want to lock the layers of our design, we can click the lock icons next to each item. This prevents us from accidentally editing or moving these layers while working on other parts of our design. If you need more help, visit avery.com/help for more information and to contact our care team. Thank you for using genuine Avery products.